To solve this kind of problem, first we need to find a common factor between each of the terms in the numerator and the denominator. We do this by checking different segments. Looking at the first term, we have root 7. Let's assume 7 is our common factor and test the rest of the equation. Our next step is to find out if the other numbers under the root can be divided by 7. We can see that 112 is divisible by 7 because we know 16 multiplied by 7 is 112 or 112. We check 448 and see it is also divisible by 7. We also check 28, which is easily divisible by 7. Now we check the large number 4375. To see if it is divisible by 7, we divide it out and we find out that 4375 is divisible by 7 and the quotient is 625. Now we have confirmed that every single segment here is a multiple of 7. Now let's take root 7 out as the common number for both the top and the bottom. Since we have root 7 on both the top and the bottom, we cancel root 7 by root 7 right now, before doing anything else. With the common factor gone, we just simplify the perfect square root that are left over. So, here we find out root 625 becomes 25, root 16 becomes 4, root 4 becomes 2. And root 64 becomes 8. This leaves us simple whole number to add together. 1 plus 25 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 8. So when we add the remaining number in numerator and the denominator, we find out that numerator is 30 and denominator is 10. We divide the result 30 by 10, so the value of the whole equation is 3. Now this is for you. Try out the similar type of question, similar type of problem, and let me know how you did it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to see more like it, please do subscribe to my channel and drop a like on the video. Thanks again for watching.